Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Russia. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing company, and thanks to that, when you're gonna register through the link down in the description and you're gonna invest $100 to your, or 100 value of your Ripple, then you will get $10 for free of a Bitcoin. And that's really great. Now when you're gonna do it, you'll be here in dashboard, right here, home, and you just click on a Bitcoin, view asset, and then you just go and write here 100 euro, like how much you want to actually buy, and you can simply click buy Bitcoin, yes, and you can preview the buy. And voila, I already added the cart and I can simply buy Bitcoin and I'm good to go. So this is how you can do it. Definitely use the link down below in the description so we get free $10, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.